as much as drones are wonderful to record things, for my purposes anyway, recording vlogs and all that sort of stuff, recording the wonderful landscapes, everything, it is perfect for that. It's wonderful for that. But it takes away the fun of seeking higher ground. It takes the fun away of getting to a higher place to then see the views. That is the only thing. It's almost like doing it in a very lazy way. Oh, I'll try and do this without. It's just there in the space. Oh, it's just there in the space of seconds. So it is kind of cheating, really. So it's in that sense, it's cheating. It's too easy just to see the world, but in the sense of the fact that I can actually do that and record the beautiful world from above. Yeah. It's almost like, imagine going to a city, and then there's one point in the city you can go to this tall building, you can climb up this building, go inside and see the view. That would be worth it, and going through all that, finding the building, to then climb it, to then see the views. Now that is just brilliant. Hello, Oxford! Yeah! Going to a certain spot of the city. Oh, wow, you can see the whole city from there. You can see the whole town. You can see this, you can see that. But with the drone, it just happens like that. So it does take the fun away. Anyhow, there's no regrets to me buying the drone. It's a shame I don't have it today, but oh well. Going back in the slippery mud now. Well, thank you for watching this video once again. I need to stop saying thank you. It's not like they're doing favours for me. They watch it because they want to watch it, right? That's true, isn't it? You want to watch my videos because you want to watch it. Either way, thank you. I love you all.